In this module, we are going to do a sum based on length of an arc, area of a sector and the segment. The question says, in a circle of radius 21 centimeters, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. So we are going to have a circle with a center O, and we draw the two radii that are radii OA and OB. The value of the radius is given to be 21 centimeters. Further it says an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. That means the value of central angle is given. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Students, we are supposed to calculate the length of an arc. For that, first let us draw the chord AB and the corresponding arc AXB. That is the minor arc AXB. Now, let us calculate the length of this minor arc AXB. So tell me, what is the formula to find the length of an arc? Yes, it is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So we write length of r AXB is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. On substituting the values, we have the length of the arc is equal to theta as 60 upon 360 into 2 into pi, that is 22 upon 7 into r, that is 21. Now students, let us simplify this further. For that we have 60 into 1 times as 60 and 60 into 6 times as 360. Further on cancellations, we have 7 into 1 as 7 and 7 into 3 as 21. 3 into 1 as 3, 3 into 2 as 6. Two terms get cancelled. The final answer for length of an arc is 22 centimeters. So we have the length of an arc is 22 centimeters. Further students, we are supposed to calculate the area of the sector formed by this minor arc. Yes, this is the sector as you can see in the figure. So tell me, what is the formula to find the area of a sector? That is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So we write area of the sector O dash AXB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. On substituting the values, we have theta given to be equal to 60 upon 360 into the value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 21 into 21. Now let us calculate this further. We have 60 into 1 as 60 and 60 into 6 times as 360. Further 2 into 3 as 6, 2 into 11 as 22. Also 3 into 1 as 3, 3 into 7 as 21. The terms 7, 7 get cancelled and the product of 11 into 21 gives us the value for area of the sector, that is 231 centimeters square. Now we can say the area of the sector O dash AXB is 231 centimeter square. Now students, we are also supposed to calculate the area of the segment formed by the corresponding arc. As we all remember the formula for area of the minor segment. Yes, it is equal to area of the sector O dash AXB minus area of the triangle, that is triangle OAB. Now students, we have already calculated the area of sector. So we are just supposed to find the area of triangle. For this triangle, let us observe it carefully. So we write in triangle OAB, we can say OA and OB are equal since they are the radii of the same circle. Further, we can observe the angles OAB and angle OBA. These two angles, angle A and angle B, will be equal. The reason will be angles opposite to equal sides are equal, and let the measure of each of these angles be equal to x. Now students, also we know that the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we write angle A plus angle B plus angle O is equal to 180 degrees, as we know the reason. On substituting the values, we have x plus the value of angle O, that is 60, is equal to 180. This is equal to 2x plus 60 is equal to 180. Bringing 60 on the other side, we have 2x is equal to 180 minus 60. Therefore, 2x is equal to 120, from which we get the value of x is equal to 120 upon 2, which is equal to 60. Students, as we have found the value of x, we can now say each angle of this triangle is 60 degrees. So, it is an equilateral triangle. So, students, tell me, what is the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle? Yes, it is root 3 upon 4 into side square. So, we write area of triangle OAB is equal to root 3 upon 4 into the values of side square. On simplification, we have root 3 upon 4 into the side is given to be 21. So, that is equal to 21 square. That is 21 into 21. Further, we have area of the triangle OAB is equal to 21 into 21 is 441 upon 4 root 3 centimeter square. Students, we have calculated the area of triangle as well. Now we can find the area of minor segment, that is area of the sector O dash AXB minus area of triangle. Let us substitute the values. So we have area of minor segment is equal to area of the sector, that is 231 minus area of the triangle, that is 441 upon 4 root 3. The units will be centimeter square. So we can now say the area of the minor segment is 231 minus 441 upon 4 root 3 centimeter square. Thank you.